guys, and wow, I hit my face. Okay. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Margarita, and if you're not new, hello, hi, welcome back. And for today's video is a little bit different. Well, maybe kind of. We're gonna be organizing my makeup. By we, I mean me. You guys are gonna be watching me organize my makeup. And literally, what you see behind me, like this drawer and all this, is filled with makeup. Let's go ahead and get started. Ooh. Before we go ahead, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, comment down below what you guys want to see. Oh, and hit that bell icon down below. And yeah, okay, let's go to the video.
Just a young gun with a quick fuse. I was uptight, wanna let loose. I was dreaming of bigger things and wanna leave my old.
Some days things just take way too much of my energy. I look up and the whole room's spinning. Some girls feel best in the tiny dresses. Some girls, nothing but sweatpants, looking like a princess.
Say I keep a check. She was a bad, nevertheless. Calling it quits now, baby, I'm a wreck. Crash at my place, baby. Just a young gun with a quick fuse. I was uptight, wanna let loose. I was dreaming of bigger things and wanna leave my old.
Some girls feel best in the tiny dresses. Some girls, nothing but sweatpants, looking like a princess. Some days things just take way too much of my energy. I look up and the whole room's spinning.
Innocent say I keep a check. She was a bad, nevertheless. Calling it quits now, baby, I'm a wreck. Crash at my place, baby. Just a young gun with a quick fuse. I was uptight, wanna let loose. I was dreaming of bigger things and wanna leave my old.
Some girls feel best in the tiny dresses. Some girls, nothing but sweatpants, looking like a princess.
Just a young gun with a quick fuse. I was uptight, wanna let loose. I was dreaming of bigger things and wanna leave my old.
Some girls feel best in the tiny dresses. Some girls, nothing but sweatpants, looking like a princess.